Hello, this is Avinash. Today we're looking at the seventh experiment in Web Technology Lab. So in this experiment, what we have to create is we have to create a PHP, a form where you give the data, and when you click submit on it, a separate form with all the data which you have entered into the form should be displayed. So here's the form. So first of all, I've created .php forms, and in that .php file, in that I've given head HTML and then header tag over here, and then I've taken some background color, BG color. So here most of it will be getting the input from the user and then displaying it in on the output screen. So for getting the input, that is text name, and input type is equals to like id name is equals to text, and input type equals to text, and name is equals to p name. And then that same goes for the email also. Text email, input type is equals to text, name equals to email. And then the same goes for text contact also, and the same goes for data also, and then date of birth as well. And after that, we give the data for text number, and input type is equals to number, and then a label for thumb number, and then input type equals to radio, and name equals to gender, and value is equals to male, and here input type equals radio, name equals gender, value equals to female. And after that, I've given something called address. The address input type equals to text, and name equals to address, and value will be, I just left it empty. And then I close the label over here, and then after that, input type is equals to text, and name equals to city, so which city it is in. And in the state option, I've given four options: red, green, blue, yellow, and pink. And in the BR option, in the zip code option, the zip code should match something called 0 to 9. It should match this pattern. If it doesn't match this pattern, then it has to show on so some error stating that like it should match the pattern. And after that, there is something called form session. So here we get the form, we get the data from the form, and then we execute it. So now we'll run this one, and then we'll check whether it's running properly or not. So this is the one. Here I've already given the data: name, my email, contact, date of birth, year, address, city, state, and zip code. When I click submit on it, so here it shows all the values, name and everything in a proper way. So this is how it should run, and then it has been run and compiled verified successfully. Thank you.